Want to build a knowledge base for your clients with SuiteDash? In this quick explainer, we'll walk you through how to use the platform to organize and centralize all your client resources in one place. But stick around, because we'll also discuss how SuiteDash compares to alternatives and why, at the end, you might want to explore another option that could be a better fit for your goals. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how SuiteDash sets up your client knowledge base. When you're building a knowledge base, you need a system that's simple but powerful, and SuiteDash gives you that with its client portals. You can create separate areas where you store all the essential information your clients need access to, whether it's FAQs, tutorial videos, or important documents. Next thing, organizing the knowledge base itself. SuiteDash allows you to create multiple categories and subcategories for different types of resources. You can easily group your content into areas that make sense, such as guides, policies, or technical support. This level of categorization ensures clients can quickly find what they're looking for without wasting time digging through endless files. The third thing is SuiteDash's search functionality. It's essential that your clients can quickly locate resources, and SuiteDash delivers here with an intuitive search bar. You can tag your documents and resources to make them more searchable, and SuiteDash handles everything with ease. Clients won't have to scroll endlessly. They can type in a keyword and find the answer they need within seconds. Now, the fourth thing to consider is customization. SuiteDash allows you to brand your knowledge base according to your business. You can change colors, logos, and the look of your portal to match your company's identity. This is particularly useful if you're building a client-facing platform where a professional and consistent look is important for trust and reliability. The fifth thing, automating notifications. SuiteDash offers a way to notify clients when there's a new resource available in the knowledge base. Whether it's an update to a policy or the release of a new tutorial, your clients will never miss important information. But there are some downsides. One issue I've found with SuiteDash is that it's a bit complex to navigate for new users. The interface can feel cluttered, and it takes a little time to get used to where everything is. This is definitely something you should consider if you're looking for a more intuitive solution. Next, let's talk about some alternatives that you should know about. While SuiteDash is good, there are other platforms that can do the same and sometimes even better. One of these is Help Scout. Help Scout allows you to build a knowledge base that's super easy to set up and is better in terms of design simplicity. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other tools you might already be using, which can save you a lot of headaches. Another alternative is Zendesk. While Zendesk is well known for its customer support capabilities, it also has great knowledge base features. It's more intuitive than SuiteDash and offers fantastic search and categorization tools right out of the box. However, it can be a bit pricey, especially for small businesses. Before we wrap up, let me tell you that there's a special offer for our viewers. If you're ready to dive into SuiteDash, we've got an exclusive extended free trial for you that will give you a chance to explore its features. But before you make your decision, I highly recommend checking out Help Scout and Zendesk as well. Both offer free trials, and they may suit your needs even better when it comes to building that knowledge base for your clients. So, if you're looking for a complete solution for your client knowledge base, check out the links in the description for the best deals and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.